Hi Igbo Nonos, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Igbo Nono. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it as well. Okay, in today's video we're going to be talking about domestic activities in Igbo language. The domestic ihe omume ụlọ na asusu Igbo. Domestic activities in Igbo language. There are various things you do domestically in your home, and today we'll be discussing about it and what it means. You can see now this is ishinri, to cook. Ishinri, to cook is a domestic activity. Ishinri, to cook. 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 It's a domestic activity as well. So you can say achorom ishinri, I want to cook. Achorom ishinri, I want to cook. Achorom ishinri, I want to cook. Yes, it's a domestic activity. Ije ozi, errand. Ije ozi, errand. We are doing the things in the house. We are doing one thing or the other, cleaning the house, doing various things in the house. Or you're sent on an errand to go and buy something, of course, that they're going to use and fix up breakfast or lunch. It's errand. It's ijozi. You're doing different things. You're helping out. You're running errands. So ineje ozi. Eso akwa. That is to wash clothes. Yes, you're washing your clothes is a domestic activity in the house. So isu akwa is wash clothes. I want to wash clothes. Achorom isu akwa. Isu akwa means to wash clothes, and it's also a domestic activity in the house. So it's basically it's not that difficult. Isu akwa is domestic activity in the house. Iza ife, to clean. Iza ife, to clean. You're sweeping with broom, you're sweeping with whatever thing you can think of. So long you are sweeping, you're trying to brush it out or something like that. What you're doing is iza ife. So iza ife in English means to clean. Iza ife, to clean. Iza ife, to clean. Ikpocha ụlọ, to clean out dirt. You can see with the help of vacuum, this lady is vacuuming to the house. So oni ekpocha ụlọ. Oni ekpocha ụlọ. She is cleaning out the dirt. Oni ekpocha ahịhịa n'ụlọ. Oni ekpocha ụlọ. Oni ekpocha afịfịa n'ụlọ. Oni ekpocha ụlọ. So you can be doing something at home and they ask you what you are doing. You say, Mama nne-ekpocha ụlọ. The next one is isa efele, to wash plate. Isa efele, to wash plate. You can put it into the washing machine to wash. You're also washing plates. It's also isa efere. So isa efele means to wash plate. To wash plate means isa efele in Igbo language. Achorom isa efele. Basically, we're just learning the words, remember. And here is isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. Be it you're showering, be it, I don't know, whatever thing you're doing, so long you're cleaning out your body, you are bathing. So isa aho is bathing. Isa aho potara, bathing. Isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. You can repeat after me. That's why I'm saying it repeatedly. Isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. Isa aho, to bathe. Thank you. Ịgba ọgwụ mgbochi arịrị, pest control spray. Ịgba ọgwụ mgbochi arụrụ. You can see what the lady is doing is very self-explanatory. She is spraying insecticides to remove the pests in the house. So when you're doing this, what you're doing is Igba Ogun Ubochi Arere Nolo, pest control in the house. Remember my last video, Olo is house. So Igba Ogun Ubochi Arere is pest control. So Igbo is very simple, you get. Idi Ocha Igba sanitizing spray. Idi Ocha Igba sanitizing spray. Yes, sanitizing spray. You're disinfecting your house, whatever English you might want to use. What you're doing is Idi Ocha Igba. You're trying to be clean. You're trying to sanitize your place. You can remember the time of Corona. All the things you're doing in your house is sanitization, right? So what you're doing in Igbo is Idi Ocha Igba. Idi Ocha Igba. You are sanitizing your home. You are cleaning out your home. So what you're doing is Idi Ocha Igba. So thank you guys. This brings me to the end of this video. Hope you learned one or two. Hope you were able to understand everything I explained. And please, I know you guys forget to subscribe because of one or two things, I understand. But if you have watched to this stage, please kindly subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share it as well, okay? And please, support my channel by subscribing. To have a wonderful day. Bye.